Okay, so let's talk about the man who changes how we see privacy. Um, Andrew Snowden was an NSA former contractor. He used to work for the NSA, and by doing so, he was exposed to a lot of materials. He was not a hacker or something like that. He was just a IT system guy, and he had what he called a key to the kingdom. In 2014, um, he leaked out information that was classified. Document that provided that the NSA was collecting massive amount of data from everyone, not just terrorists, ordinary people, everyday people, phone calls, internet exchange, IMs. It it has a lot of impact of how we see cybersecurity and how we see privacy. Um, After Snowden, encryption was exploded. Everybody started to encrypt everything. Uh, Not on mail, zero knowledge system, no trust system. It was all because of Snowden. Even big tech had to start using end-to-end encryption, not because they wanted to, because the trust was broken. Uh, where is he now? He was exiled to Russia, and he's still speaking out a lot. We still believe in privacy and transparency and in the right thing and the right thing is not to be watched. Security is not about firewall, it's about ethics. And even security, we have asked how our, even in cybersecurity, we need to ask ourselves what we protected, what is the difference, what is the thing that we protected of. And this is supposed to be the key element of our cybersecurity, what you protected. And if you consider Andrew Snowden as a traitor or something else, or as a hero for making us think different and buff of our cybersecurity. So, Andrew Snowden,